Okay. These are all the practice questions related to Java from the beginning to last. Okay. Now I just want to take the another question. Write a program to input the length and breadth and print the parameter of the rectangle and area and parameter of the rectangle. Okay, it's very simple program. Okay. But right now we are not taking the input from the user. That we will see in the next couple of days. Okay. So immediately I'm taking the value. Okay. So just a moment, please. I just want to copy this question here. I'm just copying and I just want to erase all these things and pasting in the comment section. 1 second, please. Okay. This is basically the question. All right. Write a program to take, not input, to take length and breadth and print the area and parameter of rectangle. Understand? So first of all, what we have to take length and breadth. So int, because length and breadth will be in the int type. So int len is equal to 4 and br is equal to 8. All right. Is clear to all of you? Actually, what is len and what is br? len and br are the variable. The variable are basically used to hold or contain some data. Understand? And each and every variable, before using, we have to define which type of these variables are. So this is basically an integer type. Means this len can only contain, 1 second. This len can only contain integer value. Are you agree or not? len can only contain the integer value. Why? Can you please respond? Can you please respond? Yes. Why len can contain only? Because it is defined with the int type.
Integer.
Because it is defined with the int type. That's why. Because it is int is defined. Yes, very good. Excellent. Now similarly, the br can only contain the integer value because br is also integer. Okay. So I also want to calculate the area and parameter. So we need two more variables. Parry or p for parameter. We basically, it is recommended we should not take a very lengthy variables. Okay, because it will lead some confusions and misplacing. Okay. Now, what about the formula of the area? Can you please tell? What is the formula of area?
Length into breadth.
Great, yeah, very good, excellent. len multiply br. And what about parameter? Parameter? 2
2l plus b
Can
bracket.
we write like that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
len
No, sir.
plus b. Okay. It's not, it is applicable in the mathematics, but it is not applicable in the Java. So we have to put a multiply
sign.
Now the result is prepared. Now only we have to area plus area. And parameter plus p. Okay. I have already told you in the first class that whatever we write inside the double inverted commas in the system.out.println, whatever we write in the double inverted commas, it displays as it is. It displays as it is. So means this area will be displayed as it is. But this area is without inverted commas. So the value which is stored in the area, that will be displayed. Okay, 1 second, I will show you the dry run. Just a moment. Okay, 1 second, actually I just want to manage. 1 second please. Look at this. See, so just I want to do the dry run, then it will be clear to all of you. So what is the value of LAN?
4,
LAN is 4. Great. And what is BR?
8,
Arnav? 8. And what is area?
4
What
into
will be the
8,
area? I mean to say that.
32, 32,
Great.
32,
And what will be the parameter?
24,
N plus B.
24,
2 into len plus B. So 8 for
24,
8 for the 32. 32 into 2. 32 into 2. 64. First of all, the bracket will be resolved. So LN plus B. So 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, how much? 12.
12.
12 into 2, 24. Yeah.
24.
24, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Answer is 24.
Okay, fine. 24. Okay, fine. So now I just want to execute this program and we'll cross check our dry run. Okay, see, what is the problem is there? What error is coming? Variable
So
B.
BR it should be the BR.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Excellent. Okay, okay. Now I'm just closing and I want to execute this demo 2. So these two answers should become 32, correct. My area is 32 basically, and the parameter is 24. Okay. Now you know that very well how to change the line. Simply we have to write down the println. Okay. Can we have to write down the println in both sides or only it is sufficient? In both print we have to use the println or this is sufficient?
So in both lines.
It is sufficient. Okay. Because after this statement, there is no third line. So I don't want to break. इसके बाद तो कोई लाइन है नहीं, तो हम चाहते हैं कि ये रिजल्ट यहीं पर आ जाए. इसके बाद अगर कोई रिजल्ट नहीं है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, अगर लाइन चेंज नहीं होती है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ओके, जस्ट अ मोमेंट. All right, this is done to all of you. Great.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now, what about the next question? Just a moment, please. Clearing all this dry run. Okay. Now, can we do one more question or it is sufficient for today's? Okay. The next lecture is very, very important. Okay. One question I want to do this, write a program to take the two values and I want to swap them. So what is the meaning of swap? Do you have any idea? Swap. Swap means to interchange. Swap means to interchange. Just a moment. Here I'm writing, this is my theoretical section. Swap means to interchange the values. Okay. Suppose A is 2 and B is 6. I want to interchange. Matlab A should contain 6 and B should contain 2. So how it will be possible? Okay, just look at this example. This is a container which is containing the water. And this is the another container which is containing the milk. By mistake, इस कंटेनर में, this is container A and this is the container B. Actually इस कंटेनर में वाटर है और इस कंटेनर में मिल्क है. ये बाय मिस्टेक हो गया. हमको इस कंटेनर में मिल्क चाहिए है और इस कंटेनर में वाटर चाहिए. क्या करेंगे? क्या करेंगे? What we will do? Can you please tell?
The third container. The third container.
एक्चुअली मेरा 12 to 13 ईयर का जो प्रोग्रामिंग एक्सपीरियंस है वो ये कहता है कि प्रोग्रामिंग में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है आपकी थिंकिंग शार्प होना. योर थिंकिंग मस्ट बी शार्प सो यू कैन ड्राइव द लॉजिक. एंड लॉजिक इज नॉट easy or tough. Logic is logic. If you start thinking from today, then after the certain period of time you will be a good programmer. Okay, so very good, correct. We have to take the third container. Just a moment please. I just want to raise this. So I'm taking the third container, no problem. So this is my third container. Empty ले लेते हैं. Okay, और सबसे पहले हम इसको इसमें empty कर लेंगे, फिर हम इसको इसमें empty करेंगे और फिर हम इसको A में. This is nothing but a swapping. This is nothing but a swapping. Also, this third container is the third variable over here. Okay, तब हम क्या करेंगे? What we have to do? T is equal to A. Understand? And A is equal to B.
B.
And B is equal to. Okay, 1 second. I just want to show you the dry run, then you will better understand. Just a moment, please. My dear student. T is equal to A. So the A will be stored in T. So the T will be 2. Any problem in the first point?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm writing A is equal to B. So when the B will store in A, the A will be overwrite. Because at a time, a single value can be exist in a variable. So the value of the A will be 6. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This B is equal to T. So B will be,
Ooh.
all right. So earlier it was 2 6, but after the swapping, this is 6 2. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So
Yes,
now
sir.
just immediately coming towards the programming section. Okay. Now I just clear. I want to clear all the drawing. Okay. Now just a moment, please. Okay. Now A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4. And this is my temporary variable. So just system.out.println before swap. Swap से पहले value of A is equal to A.
A.
हम आपको डिफरेंशिएट करने के लिए ऐसा लिख रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग दिस टू सेव द टाइम एंड द वैल्यू
Value of B is equal to B plus 1.
is equal to B. All right. Now I am just copying this part. अच्छा, अब हम यहां लिखेंगे आफ्टर स्वैप. तो अब हम स्वैपिंग करेंगे भी तो, है ना? तो स्वैपिंग करने के लिए T is equal to A,
A.
is equal to B and B is equal to T.
T.
अंडरस्टैंड? अब हम यहां से कॉपी कर लेते हैं इन दोनों को and I'm just pasting over here. So these values before the swap and these value will be print after the swap. Just no errors there. I am just closing the programming section and I want to once lot of files are open actually. See, right click, white. Okay, my program actually is executing. Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the
Yes,
concept of
Yes,
swapping?
sir.
Okay, great. So now this is enough for today's. Mind is like a bucket for a day. So this is enough for today. In the next class, we will see some more new things. Understand? Some theoretical, some practical. So I will share all the questions to all of you. Okay? And you please also subscribe my channel. So you will be updated with the new videos. Okay? So thanks to all of you. So I'm just closing this session.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please tell the name of the channel.
Okay, I will definitely. Anish Sir's Technology is the basically channel, and I will share the uploaded videos link to you. Okay, this complete session will be uploaded live. Okay, one second.